The poor dog is trying to hide from you. You want him to run around the house?
Okay.
Come on, Chico. Go get her. Go get her. Come get him.
Go.
He doesn't like to play with kids, I don't think.
Chico.
Ew. Chico, quit hiding by my legs. Oh, now he's really hiding. Where'd he go? Here he is. Oh. Do you love Chico? I don't think you'll ever catch him, Lily. This is making me dizzy. I know. He just keeps running away from you. Now you can relax.